I'm Rick Farley, and this is PwC's Tax Insights in Brief. When companies allow their executives to use company aircraft, there could be certain federal excise tax implications regarding such use, which typically is determined based on how the aircraft is operated pursuant to FAA guidelines. Generally, Section 4081 imposes a federal fuel excise tax on non-commercial aviation, while commercial aviation is subject to federal excise taxes on the transportation of persons under Section 4261 or property under Section 4271, as well as a federal fuel excise tax under Section 4081 that is imposed at a reduced fuel rate. Effective January 1st, 2025, certain federal excise tax rates will increase for taxable air transportation of persons as adjusted for inflation. Consistent with the 2024 rates, a 7.5% air transportation tax applies to amounts paid for the taxable transportation of persons that begins and ends in the United States or in the 225-mile zone, which includes portions of Canada and Mexico within 225 miles of the continental United States. Typically, this tax is associated with the use of timeshare agreements with executives, which can create a compliance requirement for the company to file a Form 720 quarterly federal excise tax return with the IRS. However, the segment fee increased by 20 cents to $5.20 per passenger per segment, which is one takeoff and one landing for domestic flights, including within the 225-mile zone. For international flights, the segment fee increased by 70 cents to $22.90 per passenger for international flights that begin or end in the United States. Other rates may apply for trips to Hawaii or Alaska and for different types of jet fuel that are consumed. As for next steps, first, companies should review the use of any timeshare agreements with executives to ensure the proper amount of federal excise tax is being collected and remitted to the IRS in a timely manner. Second, companies should understand which excise taxes and fees potentially could apply to flights to comply with federal excise tax rules. For more details, read the attached insight. Thanks for watching. This has been PwC's Tax Insights in Brief.